Here it is, guys. I just finally got it today. This is the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 stainless steel silver. And just looking at it on the box itself, it looks amazing, guys. It looks beautiful. So I'm so excited to have this in our channel. We're gonna try to explore and see the difference and the quality and how it will look like when we do have some silver watch bands to check out to match it with this. And let's get right at it, guys. Let's get right at it. So looking at the box, this is what you get. And when you compare it with the other box, the non-stainless steel watch, this is the box. So as you can see, there is a huge difference already. So there is more stuff inside. Not really more stuff. It's pretty much almost the same thing. It's just the only difference is that it is stainless, and then this one comes with a leather strap, whereas this one, it's non-stainless and it's rubber watch band. So without further ado, guys, let's open this up and we'll try to compare them. We'll do a boot up and go through the setup and so forth. And from there, we're gonna start checking out some silver watch bands for this stainless steel Active 2. So let's go. Here we go. All right, so completely different setup as the non-stainless watch. So let's put this on the side. And here it is. You've got your watch compartment over here, and it looks like this is your strap right here. And of course, you've got your instruction manual, your paperwork, and your charger. So let's all open them up. So this is your magnetic charger right here. It's pretty much the same thing as you would get with the non-stainless steel watch. No difference there. And you've got all your paperwork, pamphlet. Let me just double check if that is inside. Yep. Okay. And here is your leather watch band. As you can see right there, I already opened it up. And look at that, guys. Genuine leather, 20mm, size small. All right, so let's put that on the side there. And the main event is right here. Here it is. So let's check this out, guys. Very excited for this. And let's open it up. All right, you do have this transparent paper of the watch. Nothing much to it. And boom, now finally we have a protection for the watch itself, whereas the other one, there was no plastic wrap or anything, just to, you know, prevent from scratching and so forth. So all you have to do is just pull this tab over here, and there you go. Wow, look at this. Look at this, guys. And just put this on the side. Beautiful, beautiful. The silver just really stands out, guys. Really stands out. Look how beautiful that thing is. Wow. What a beautiful looking watch. Okay, buttons. You got your microphone there. You got your speaker, and pretty much the same thing. It's just that it is stainless. And here is the non-stainless watch over here. As you can see the difference. I'm gonna try to measure them and see if there is a weight difference between the two. So let me just take off this. And I'm gonna grab my weight scale. Uh-oh. Okay. And we're gonna see if there's actually a weight difference between the two. All right, let's change the unit to grams. And I don't know if it's too bright here, guys. Seems bright. So let's go measure the non-stainless steel first. So we have 26 grams. And now the stainless steel version. All right, so 10 grams different there, guys. All right, so definitely it's due to the stainless steel metal that they are using here. And as you can see there, they are both side by side. So now let's check and see the back part if there's any difference. So it looks like they're pretty much the same, guys. All right, and then the side button right there. Okay, so let's boot this up, see what it looks like. And I have to turn the old one here because I have to use my Note 9 to activate it. So let me turn this off. And now let's just put on the leather strap. And we'll see what it looks like on my wrists. All right, and I already did order some more watch bands for you guys out there. So stay tuned on Saturday. And also I do have 2 watch bands on the side here now, which I'm gonna be making a video anytime soon for the silver one. So let me just pop them out so you guys could at least see what it looks like, so that there is a excitement for the next video. But anyways, let me just turn this on, power this on. All right, so let's press on. There you go. Such a beautiful watch, guys. So I had to order this online. Canada and I think the US doesn't have this in stock yet. It's only in Europe at the time of making this video. So it was really difficult for me to grab this version. And I'm really excited that it's finally here, guys. So here we go. It says add, and which I will add now. And it should automatically pair itself here anytime soon, guys. So connect, just like that. Very quick, simple, nothing to it. And it looks like we are connected. Okay. All right, so the same method, no difference when it comes to connecting the stainless and non-stainless. It's pretty much the same thing here, guys. But I just want to show you guys the process of the setup, that you don't need no help whatsoever. You could just do this on your own or follow this video. But while we wait, I will show you guys the bands that I have here. So I do have the stainless steel mesh bands and the stainless steel watch band. So I agree to all, or we could just, yeah, next. Check for backup later, check for backup, skip for now. Okay, let me just go through this process. Press back. Okay, I think we're almost done here. What's it saying? Try to touch the screen. Screen with your palm, okay. All right, there you are. We are completely done. Okay, let's just go through this. Okay. There you go, guys. We are completely done. So I'm gonna just show you guys the watch bands that I have here on deck that I'm gonna be showing you guys. So this is the mesh band, which I did a review, but it was color black. So we're gonna check that out on the silver stainless version. So stay tuned for that. It's gonna be nice, guys. And of course we have the other one, the standard looking watch band, but in silver right there. So stay tuned for those, guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see those watch bands and plenty more watch bands that is coming up soon. And let's just put this on my wrist and see what it looks like. All right. So the leather strap right now is quite stiff because it just came out from the box. Of course, it takes time to break the leather or loosen it up. And there you have it, guys. There is the watch itself, the stainless steel watch on my wrist. Look how beautiful this thing is. Beautiful. Such a beautiful watch. So I think the price difference between the non-stainless one and this one here is, I think it's $100. So if you do have that extra dollar spare, go for the stainless steel, guys. Go for it because it looks beautiful. All right. So there you have it, guys. If you have any further questions or anything like that, just leave me a comment down below. And let's get a picture here for the cover. So there you have it, guys. Once again, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.